So it's 10:30 Wednesday morning. Bored out of my mind. Waiting at the plant. Did one load real quick. Obviously I can't take any video inside the plant. Now I'm just sitting here waiting to go back in to do a second load. Really finish with it. And the boss is saying it sounds like we're gonna end up coming in and out of here over the next year. I'm like, awesome. Sounds amazing. It sucks. But I don't know, he's paying me a paycheck at the end of the week, so I kind of just do it regardless of how I feel about having to come in and out of here. So just it is what it is. But I was been a YouTube fan for quite a long period of time, long before I ever became a creator, if you want to call this being a creator. Contributor, maybe it's a better word for that. I'm sitting here just scrolling through YouTube and Facebook and just hanging out, waiting for them to call me in. I got about 5 guys ahead of me. It's probably about 90 degrees already and a lot of humidity because it's been raining off and on the last little bit, at least the last couple of days. So I wait. But I'm setting up my format on my YouTube channel. We're 20 something days in now, and I'm kind of trying to figure out my voice and how to edit it and all that stuff. My priority is not spending a lot of time editing. You know, I do 60 to 90 hours a week just at this job, let alone having to go home and spend 2 or 3 hours editing one video. There's no way I'd ever do that, so I'm trying to do it as simple as possible. So the way I'm setting it up is the first 2 to 6 minutes is going to be edited commentary, a little bit about the day I'll cut together. At the end, I'm going to just kind of throw in some of the raw video that I've taken that day, if I have taken any that day. And then you can kind of just see, I don't know, 20 minutes to 3 hours worth of my day, unedited, just kind of what I do. Figured it'd be interesting to some people. I know with YouTube, the basis is to create a 2 to 6 minute video to hold the retention of your audience. I don't totally agree with that. You know, the people who become fans of the page would probably like to see the raw, unedited video of what we do. This is slow and it's boring, and I don't expect people to watch it. You know, putting a new pin in the Mini X bucket is very time consuming, and you know, 3 people are doing a job 1 person could have done. So it's kind of one of those things. It's, you know, my day isn't terribly interesting. There's not a lot of exciting things that happen. There's not a lot of dramatic things that happens. But, you know, making this channel, I've kind of decided to share me and my life. And, you know, if you guys want to be a part of it, you want to watch the extra footage and stuff, it's there. So, for now, unless I do one edited and one unedited video, I'm just going to do first 2 to 6 minutes edited, and then the rest of it just what I'm going to call bonus footage, the raw unedited video that I've taken throughout the day. I got my phone sitting up here and someone's trying to call me. Obviously a scammer. I love messing with those guys. But yeah, I'm bored. I'm just sitting here waiting for no reason, because coming to this plant is stupid. But it's a paycheck, so it kind of is what it is. So after this, we'll go over to the parts store, take this truck to the shop, maybe do a few other things, see if it gets any more interesting than just sitting here playing on my phone. Well, I sat at the plant till 2 o'clock, and then ran over to go get some parts from the truck shop. Can't really take any video inside of there, but trying to be a little bit more diligent of just not talking into the camera for 2 or 3 minutes, and then going to, you know, just long form stuff, what I'm doing. So I'm still trying to work on building up my talents as an editor and actually getting good footage. So today is just going to be me talking. Tomorrow we'll try and work on that a little bit more, but running around and taking video where I can. So gonna go back and install a couple of these parts and then save the parts and send it off to the mechanic. The dump truck's leaking. One of the hoses is starting to leak, so we're just going to go ahead and replace it. Cap, fuel filter, coolant filter all need to be done on it. And then the hose that's leaking obviously is a coolant hose, so we can do all the filters and everything all at the same time, since we drain the coolant once. And then a couple more things running around to do, and I'll be done for the day. So not very exciting. I don't even know why people would watch my vlog, but they do. So I don't know. I think it's boring. I don't do very much in the day. It's not very exciting, but I work a lot, and 60 to 90 hours a week, so I stay pretty busy. But I promise I'm trying to take better video.